Hi guys, we are test driving Ford Smax Vignale 2017, which came in with a DPF and easier other issues, limp mode. Now the problem has been solved. What would you like to say about your car before and now?
Before, I mean, it was only a couple of days ago. I had to have my foot all the way down on the pedal to even reach 30 miles an hour. I've just got the car back. We've gone for a little test drive. I'm not even touching the pedal. It's just tapping the pedal and the car is moving like anything. It's pulling my head back. The turbo's now kicking in. There's no limp mode, no smoke problems.
So you're happy? No smoke? Yeah, I was
that's
going to
the
ask.
main thing, the smoke. The smoke before I bring it in, and now I'm driving, I can't see anything out the back. No smells, nothing at all. It's perfect.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 for your turbo DPF EGR issues. Thanks for watching.